Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Suzuki Swift, 2011 to 2017? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Engine compartment fuse box. The Suzuki Swift, 2011 to 2017. Engine compartment fuse box manages fuses and relays for essential systems like the engine, cooling fans, headlights, and ABS. It protects circuits from electrical overloads and ensures stable performance of key vehicle functions. Instrument panel fuse box. The Suzuki Swift, 2011 to 2017. Passenger compartment fuse box handles fuses and relays for interior and convenience systems, including lights, wipers, horn, and power accessories. It safeguards electrical circuits and ensures reliable operation of cabin functions. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.